Getting what you want will not make you happy. That's right, I said it. I remember this movie, Lord of War. At the beginning of the movie, you heard two sentences. The two worst things that can happen to a human being in this life is number one, not getting what you want. Number two, getting what you want. I don't necessarily believe that getting what you want will make you miserable. What I'm trying to say is like, do not put your desires on a pedestal. Not only it will work against you when it comes to manifestation and getting what you want, but it will also help you when you let go of this desire to actually manifest faster. So wanting for nothing is better than actually wanting and yearning and have this burning desire. Now, don't get me wrong. At the beginning, a burning desire is important because if you don't have a burning desire, you might not persevere through times of tribulation, so to speak. At one point, you have to let go of this desire. When you want for nothing, by definition, you can be happy. You can be at peace. The more you yearn for something, and even if you go through the practices of letting go and etc., if you still have this strong yearning, when you get it, you will be like, that's it. You might be happy for a second and you'll have another desire. And there's nothing wrong with this. What I'm trying to say is the more you can be at peace with your desire, the more you can surrender your desire. For those of you who have read David Hawkins, he talks about surrendering and letting go. Surrendering and letting go of a desire means you're okay if it happens, you're okay if it's not happening, right? You're okay if you get it, and you're okay if you don't get it. And you might say, what's the point of all this? I want what I want, no problem. But you can let go of the desire of it. You can let go of the yearning. So when you talk about acting as if you already have it, living in the end, as Neville Goddard would call it, it means what? When you live in the end of the wish fulfilling, it means what? You already have what you want. You're already with the person you want to be with, right here. So emotionally, there's no lack. And when you surrender, there's no lack as well, because one way or another, you let go of the lack to living in the end or letting go of the desire, which is pretty much the same thing. Am I right? So when you let go of the desire and when you can want for nothing one way or another, does not matter. As long as there's no lack, as long as you are contented inside, emotionally, you're at peace, you are not reacting, you don't have this strong desire that will lead to despair because you don't have it right now. When you let go of all this bullshit, all this negativity, all these stirring emotions inside, when you can be at peace with those emotions, you are starting to understand what it means to actually want for nothing. Now, can you want for nothing 100%? No. Wanting for nothing 100%, it means like you really don't want it anymore. It's not bad, more power to you. But wanting for nothing is more so going in this direction of letting go of the desire, not suppressing it, not repressing it, but just letting go, being at peace, being contented, living in the present moment, being contented, grateful in this present moment. There's always reason to be happy in this present moment. In your life, go towards freedom, freedom of desire, surrender this desire, letting go, and all that good stuff you hear in meditation and all that mindfulness vernacular. Go towards this direction. It's not scary. I'm hearing you guys. It might be scary. It's like, I'm going to get rid of my desire. I don't want to get rid of my desire. What you want is what you want. When you let go of this emotion behind it, this lackful, desirous emotion, you are speeding up the process. It does not mean that you will not do your visualizations, your affirming and all that good stuff. It just means that when you're not doing it, you will let go of all those strong emotions. You will let go of the negative thoughts that are contradictory towards the desire. More often than not, those negative emotions and negative thoughts come from the lackful desire. So when you let go of the desire, by definition, you'll have less and less of those negative emotions and negative thoughts. So just try it out. Want for nothing. Thank you so much for listening.